Uncle Aaron,
You hadn't been bit.
I gotta do something.
Your Peter Parker would have lived.
I don't know if I can do
Instead,
it.
he died, saving you.
I'm scared, man.
Miles, the hardest thing about this job
I'm
is
just
you can't always say that.
tired of letting everybody
You're
down.
the best of all of us, man. I see this spark in you. It's amazing. It's why I keep going. It's yours. Whatever you choose to do with it, you'll be great. Just keep going.
When do I know I'm Spider-Man? You won't.
Who do you think you are?
That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith. My name
Here's the
is
deal.
Miles Morales.
Wherever you go from here, you have to promise to take care of that little boy.
I was bitten by a radioactive spider.
Make sure he never forgets where he came from. And he never lets anyone
I'm pretty sure
at those
you know the
big
rest,
fancy
sir.
places he's gonna be in.
One thing I learned from Miles,
Tell him that he doesn't belong there.
it's all possible.
Everyone keeps telling me how my story is supposed to go. Nah, I'ma do my own thing.